Dear Diary, it's time to catch you up on this week's episode of Mayte's life.
Hey y'all, hey whores, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Erica, Mayte, whatever you want to call me. I'm back with another freaking video. But today we're gonna go out to this restaurant called Pasta de Pasta, and I've been seeing it on TikTok. My grandma's seen it, so we're all gonna go out to try it. Apparently they make pasta in like this big cheese, a roll of cheese, like those cheese circles. What do you call those? Cheese tires? What do you call those? I don't know what they're called, but the huge blocks of cheese that you see in movies in Italy and stuff. They make the pasta in front of you right there. So we're gonna go to that restaurant. We're gonna try it out. I'm doing my makeup right now. I just got a set with powder and I'm done. But yeah, you guys are gonna come along with me. This is my hairstyle. I did the little braid thing that is going on TikTok right now, and then I just left my hair all puffed up in the back. I call it my bunny tail. We're leaving at 1. It's currently 11:12. So subscribe if you enjoy this video and comment what you guys want me to post. Like, give me some ideas. I have no ideas here. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty setting thingy, but I need to get the shade like cashew or something, because this is the shade banana and it's too light, I think. Always pat it in the back of your hand. You see the difference? Y'all like my natural lashes? I just gotta do my lip look, but I'm not doing that right now because we're not leaving yet. So I'm just gonna add some chapstick, some of my Vaselina, honey peach Vaseline. See you guys when I'm getting ready and like doing all that extra stuff. There we go. I'm wearing this sweater. I don't remember where I got this sweater, but yeah, it's really cozy. I love it. It's so soft. And I'm wearing these pants that I think are from Shein. If not, they're from H&M. They look like H&M pants. Not too sure. Yeah, it's 12:13, so it's still early. I'll let you guys know when we're gonna leave, but I'm gonna wear my Pumas. These are the ones that I got for myself. Same style for my boyfriend, just different colorway. Yeah, we're leaving. Ready?
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk?
No, just tell her not to go in the train station though, because we gotta take the shuttle bus.
Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how.
That's all that we all heard it. We're in First Ave, y'all. Now we gotta figure out which way to go to get to the restaurant.
If there's nothing at all, we've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is. Then what next? Then what next? Then what next? Then what next? Then what next?
Can I please get a bowl with broccoli, pesto sauce, and mushrooms? We're groups, so it's a few orders. Yeah. Next. Oh, I'm so sorry. Alright, I have bad lighting, but people are sitting on that side, so whatever. We're gonna try this. This has no sugar. Sorry? It just tastes like water. Well, it says 16 grams of sugar, but it has no flavor. It's okay. Let me get my canteen. Alright, this is what they come in. Little lunchbox. Got mushrooms, onions, broccoli, pesto sauce. No, onions and mushrooms. Oh, look, the napkins come in here. These little fancy. Alright, I mixed it. Yeah. Salmon.
I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back.
Oh my god, this one is a big one. Yeah, that's time to go. Yo.
I'm done.
Let's go. Man, let's go walk the street.
Alright, y'all, so I switched drinks with my uncle because this one had too much sugar and mine had no sugar, right? So this. And we're rushing out of here because there's a bee attacking us, trying to get in all of our food, so let's go. Honestly, it was good. Rate it. What do you give it?
8.
Okay, that's what I gave it. Look at the cute little seat. Oh! Can I get a Oreo? Is it frozen? No, you don't have frozen? Yeah, can I get that one, the Oreo cookie slush?
What's that?
What size do you have? Can I get a medium? A medium?
You want any topping?
Can I get the tapioca pearls? What do you want?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here you go.
Alright, y'all. Another deal. We gotta get the pop. We got the Oreo slush with tapioca pearls. Yeah. Makes it. Always hits. Let's go. Oh, hell no. That's exactly why they say don't stand in front of the door. The door almost beat me up. Look how packed that bus was. Later, Nana. No, she's so cute. Right, y'all, we going home. So this is for the vlog, and see you guys in like 2 or 3 weeks because I got another trip coming. Yeah, we're going on vacation again for my birthday, so stay tuned, subscribe, do all that. Hey whores, I'm officially home. I'm literally just about to chillax, upload my images to my phone, edit this video probably, and watch Love Island while I do that, because I have nothing else to do today. It's Sunday. I'm gonna do that until probably like 6:30, and then I'm gonna watch Baddies Caribbean, and then after I watch Baddies, I may just take a shower and go to sleep for work tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tagging along. Thank you guys for literally being subscribed, and if you're not, subscribe to get notification of whenever I post, and if you don't, fuck out of here. JK. But honestly, yeah, subscribe, comment down below what I should post often, or any ideas you guys have that I could post. I live in New York, so there's plenty of things to do. Just let me know. But yeah, stay tuned because I have another trip coming soon for my birthday, which is in a couple of weeks. My birthday's on September 28th. Save the date. Later.